Alright, the ice cream truck is coming for the 11th time, I think. Yeah, I think so. So, yep. The pitch has just changed. I'm gonna actually set it like this. Here it comes. Yep. It's over there. It's gonna come over here. It's always come over here. Oh, there it is. Oh, it is coming in, coming over here. Wow. Hi. Okay, so can I have the SpongeBob popsicle? And I would also like a snow cone.
$6.
Oh, $6? Alright.
And
Is this good?
wait. Where's your change, buddy?
I don't. Alright, how much is that?
$9.
Alright,
Thank you.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, I got it.